If you're a foreign healthcare professional interested in advancing your career in Dubai but have no idea how to get your professional license in this emirate, here's what you should know. You've come to the right place. Because in this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about processing the DHA exam to become a licensed healthcare professional in Dubai. The DHA exam is a nationwide examination for healthcare professional licenses. This examination is administered by the Dubai Health Authority, who also manages and oversees the overall health system in Dubai. However, there are different sets of requirements for DHA exam applications depending on the candidate's professional qualification requirements that differ from profession to profession. The standard DHA exam application process for foreign healthcare candidates consists of the following steps. Step 1. DHA Preeligibility and Dataflow application phase. The Preeligibility application is the phase in which the candidate can determine if they are eligible for the category the candidate applied for, mainly based on their educational and employment background. Once the candidate determines that they are eligible to proceed with the DHA exam application process, the candidate must undergo a highly reliable background screening procedure or the primary source verification to verify the candidate's personal or professional credentials directly from its original issuing source. Step 2. DHA Exam Scheduling Phase. The DHA exam booking and scheduling phase is the pre-registration and confirmation of the candidate's DHA exam schedule. At this phase, you should get ready for the DHA exam questions that you might encounter on your exam and study the DHA exam pattern to be prepared. Step 3. Take the DHA exam. On the day of your exam, ensure to bring acceptable forms of identification and plan to arrive at the test center at least 45 minutes of your confirmed test time for orientation and check-in purposes. Step 4. Claim your DHA exam result. Candidates may access their official exam results using the corresponding DHA login details given to them. There are two DHA exam results, either pass or fail. There will be no examination scores or exam certificates issued regardless of whether the candidate passed or failed the examination. Step 5. DHA Professional Credentialing Evaluation Phase. Once the candidate received their data flow report and passed the exam, the candidate can now proceed to the Professional Credentialing Evaluation Phase. This is the process wherein the candidate's eligibility letter will be released. This document is needed to process their DHA license. Take note, in order to process your license application, you must find an employer first. If you haven't done yet, who can link their application to the DHA regulatory body for the DHA license issuance. Due to this incredibly complex and confusing licensure application process for the DHA exam application, candidates like you are advised to seek assistance from a specialized application preparation center like NEAC, Medical Exams Application Center. So if you're interested to know if you're eligible to take the DHA exam, what are the prerequisites for taking the DHA exam, and understand the terms and the cost of processing your DHA exam application, then contact us and we'll provide you with a free online initial assessment of your documents. Remember, once you're ready to apply to the DHA exam, NEAC will take care of everything. Please leave a comment below with any topics you'd want us to cover in our upcoming video. If you want to see more video like this, then make sure to be a follower of this channel and click the subscribe button now. Bye!